I came here on Thursday. I started my treatment on Friday. Now we have Wednesday and I'm finished.
Switch it up.
Take really care of your teeth and of your mouth, and yeah, that's why I'm really happy to choose this one. Hello, I'm Dominic. I'm from Germany, from Cologne, and I'm 25 years old. And I had a lot of years problems with my teeth. I always tried not to open my mouth, not to laugh. But yeah, this year will change everything, and I'm really happy about this. When I first come to the airport, the first pickup was really good. It went really fluently. And then in the next day, I started to came here. And all the people are really nice. They take a lot of time for you. The results are really nice, and I'm really happy that I did this.